"Oh, sir, you need to wear a mask." "I am exempt." "Oh, come right this way, sir. Let us help you with this, this, and this." And magically, everyone is so nice. All the mask-wearing people look at that man like, how the hell is he able to do this? Isn't it mandatory? Have you ever asked yourself what mandatory means? Does it mean law? Let's see. L-A-W, law, M-A-N-D-A-T-O-R-Y, mandatory. The first rule of this course is that if something is not spelled the same, it does not mean the same thing. A female is not a woman. An adult is not a grown-up. Remember this, okay? This is all legal fictions. So again, we have to be careful with titles. Now, because we have not set our no parking signs, we are automatically seen as citizens. Citizens is the default. Thus, those with authority over citizens can do what they want to the citizens, because we didn't express otherwise, right? We are not the Pope, we're not the Queen, we are not a man or a woman, so what are we? We are citizens by default. But once we put forth that notice, that no parking sign, then we can be of mankind. Once you do put forth that notice, you can expect to be on pretty much every government watch list that there is. Great. I would not be surprised if I have agents that listen in on my phone calls or that screen these YouTube videos. Wonderful. Let them listen. Let them learn. Okay? I do not write notices and express my rights with fear. When I write my notices to the man or woman that acts as a public servant, I write to them as a public servant. It's basically like, listen, garbage man, I'm going to be putting my garbage on the left side of the street this week, not the right side, so here's your notice. Get it done. I'm no more afraid of the government officials as I am of my garbage man. So yes, I am confident that I am on various watch lists. And yes, I am absolutely quite cool with that. Why wouldn't I be? I want to be on every watch list. I want them to know that I am a man. I want them to second guess violating my rights and have to think, oh, leave that one alone. He is not worth it. He knows and sees us as man. He doesn't see agencies. He doesn't see governments. He doesn't see police. He only sees us as man. He understands how to express the law before we the people at a trial by jury. Be very careful. Be very careful with that one. So we have a lot of childlike fears, the boogeyman under the bed kind of fears. And that is how a lot of us look at the government, like it's the boogeyman that's going to get you. Oh no, watch out! Not me. I look at the government like it is a little white mouse in the corner of my room surrounded by mouse traps. I know that the government is here to serve mankind. It is here to serve me. They are my public servants. They are not here to rule me unless I choose to allow it by acting as a citizen. Can I act as a citizen? Oh sure, watch this. Yep, I'm a citizen. Wait, no, I'm a man. Did you see that? I was a citizen for half a second there. Isn't that cool? Well, essentially, this is what I'm saying. It's basically that easy. Like this. Yep, I am a licensed driver. Oh, now you want to beat me over the head with a billy club? Okay, now I'm a man, and I state that you are causing me harm by way of trespass by harm, and I will have to hold you liable as a man, Bob Smith, who at times acts as a police officer. Why would I file a complaint against a police officer? How silly is that? I want to complain. This guy beat me over the head with a billy club. You want to complain? Yeah, I want to complain about it. You don't have a claim? No, not really. I just wanted to complain about it. I didn't really like it. It was kind of hard. Hurt my head. Oh yeah? Well, we don't want to hear your complaint at this time. Well, what do you mean? Yeah, we are not taking complaints at this time today. But... It's not like you filed a claim. It's like going to cash a lottery ticket that is not a winner versus a winning lottery ticket. One is a winner. It's a claim, right? The other one, you are complaining that you didn't win, but you think that you should have won. And it's like, oh, if I would have only got this number correct, I would be all good. Here, Judge, let me convince and convey you that I should have won. I was only a few numbers off. How about I convince and convey and have an argument and try to persuade you to see things my way? How about it? Or you can simply bring in a claim and tell the magistrate to cash your ticket. Okay? It's a big difference between claim and complaint.